Hey Xander, what are we cooking?
Bushings.
Nice. Ooh, yeah, you got one out. This is the driver front lower, right? Yeah?
I didn't pull it.
Yeah, it is. So we got that, and then ball joint. Got the heavy crud off. We'll get the ball joint out. Remember, I always throw a little, you know, the chamfer. Anyway, that's probably a tomorrow problem, right?
Yeah, I won't make friends with it.
All right, so we're gonna beat that out. Got that one out. And ball joints we can actually do on the car. We, as a facility.
We as in Bertie.
Yeah, we as in Bernsey. All right, so Mr. Xander. Oh, now it's pissed him off. Fire! Fire! Look at that. You enjoy playing with fire. He is a pyro, everybody. The best is that you got Jared on the leg of the torch. Alright, so Xander's going to let that marinate, and then that's going to end up being like this. And then the new nice bushings will go in. I got it like extra hot, huh?
Yeah.
It's making that noise. It's like a steak. Oh, wow.
Probably not smoke detectors.
No.
Is that the metal piece?
It hasn't fallen.
A metal piece.
Yeah, but it's not this one, it's the other one. But it's...
Don't be hot.
Yeah, you better touch that. Oh, there it goes. All right. It might just push right out.
Oh.
You want me to heat it up more?
No. Aaron will do it now.
Boing. All right, Xander's gonna let that cool off. Oh, that helps it.
Just a little hot.
Ah!
Still smoking here.
Looks like a Willie Nelson concert.